Any equipment with service schedules not set will show as undefined in the service sequence column. When creating your own service sequences, you can do this by individual equipment or multiple equipment at once. To do this in bulk, select the items, then click the Generate Service Sequence button. You can also click the undefined link to set schedules for each item individually. When the pop-up opens, click Add a new sequence. Remember to scroll down if needed, depending on your screen resolution. Click Add and start by giving your sequence a name. Select Calendar if setting a sequence based on date periods, or select Hours if setting a schedule based on the number of hours usage for the equipment. Select if using fixed dates. This means that the sequence will always be the same, and Service Genie will stick with the details set and will not adjust the dates. Date of previous service will result in Service Genie automatically adjusting the dates based on how early or late you are to complete the service. For example, if you are a week late, the next service date will be adjusted to a week later. Enter a sequence start date, and this is the date the first service is due. Then click Add Service. Now fill out the field to define the service. Select a service type, and this categorises the service, for instance, a major, minor, or a calibration. Then select a cost code from the list. The cost code is pulled onto the job and determines how the service jobs raised are charged. You can set a fixed price for the service if you are charging a fixed price for the service once the job has been completed, and then choose whether the intervals will be in months, weeks, or days. Set the frequency for how often the service will occur, and the other fields are optional but can aid with your scheduling process. Enter the number of people needed to complete the service. The engineer field is populated because we set a default engineer for the contract earlier, but it can be changed or left blank. Then enter an estimated amount of time for the service, and when finished, click Save.